Well, okay. Hey guys, back with another video, and I'm going to play Subway Surf.
It's so annoying.
Can
I play too?
Yeah, sure. Oh!
Take a shower, so you stink.
Josh,
Emily, you really do.
I stink at stuff.
Or
Or they stink.
You stink.
Whoa. Okay.
You smell bad.
Okay, sorry if you hear talking, like, other than this.
She smells bad.
Shut up, Josh.
No.
Okay, let's play.
Subscribe to the first one and the only one too.
I play next.
Okay, subscribe to
I
him.
play next.
He's my big brother. Sure.
Subscribe.
Oh my goodness. Dumbbell.
Subscribe to me or else nothing will happen.
Be good.
I want ice cream.
Okay, jump. Dude. Swipe, jump.
Can they see you do it?
Choose.
Do they see you do it?
Yeah. Yeah.
Do they see you do it?
Yeah. He.
Birthday party, birthday party, birthday party.
Oh God.
Or
Oh,
if you die, just do it by the
no.
way.
Oh gosh. Oh, by the way, I have my friend over. If you see my other videos, then you know, like
What she looks like.
what my friend Madison looks like. Boom.
Ice cream party.
Ice cream party on Friday.
Yeah.
It's actually on. What? No! No, I'm not letting you. I never promised.
Emily, your friend can't over there play with you. So play with her.
Oh my goodness. If you guys know what Subway Surf is, it's been around since I was 3. 5 years old. It's 5 years old.
Emily, you said that I can play.
After this round. 2 rounds each. Okay. If you hear any noise in the background, the TV in my toy room is actually kind of loud right now.
And me.
And shut up, Josh. Ugh. I felt like I was gonna bark for a second. Oh my goodness.
Die. When I said to my brother, die, he actually died.
Die.
Die.
Oh no, the cop's catching up to me. Okay, got away from me.
Say die.
Die.
The jumpy shoes.
Shoes. Ooh, if you guys don't know what jumpy shoes are, you've never lived. Bling, 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 bling.
Dude, other side, go.
I just went through a freaking drain.
It's good that you can't die in the sky.
You can't die in this guy unless the cop is up with you. Like, unless the cop has catched up to you.
You could die.
If you guys hear anything in the background, that's either my friend or my big brother.
Okay, I'm not saying that. It's your big brother. Your big brother is not even here anyway.
Oh.
Your big brother is not even here. Anyway.
I'm really good at this game.
I know. Copy.
No!
Okay, Devin,
Wait. I have to get all my stuff. And then I have to see.
Ooh.
What I got.
Can they actually see you play it?
Yeah, they can see me play it.
Can I?
Now I have to see if I can get. Ooh. Ah!
I have this guy.
Really?
Wait, I want to. Can I try out him?
No.
Please, I want to try
You die
out
on
him.
purpose, though.
I'm just gonna try him out. Oh my god, this guy is so
And then
cool.
die on purpose. Okay? Okay? Okay?
No,
What? You get 3
every
turns.
3 rounds. Every 3 rounds. It's the next person's
But
turn.
then you're going to say 4 and then 5.
I promise.
Mm.
I promise. Whoosh.
No promises.
Yes.
Oh, you got another one. You got 2?
Yeah, I got 2.
Where's the other one?
I got a refill.
What's a peek?
I am 6 years old.
Really?
No, I'm really 8. In the game, I am.
You're 6 years old?
In the game, yeah.
Why?
Because I have 6 cakes.
You're 6 years old.
God, oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god, oh gosh.
You're 6 years old. Oh, he got out. That's her big brother. Right? That's
Yeah.
her big brother. I'm not crazy like him.
He's freaking crazy.
Birthday cake. Ah! Why is he like that? That is so not me. Jumpy shoes. Gappy toes. You have jumpy shoes too. Thank you.
Wait, I need to see if I got anything.
Nope.
I need to see if I can buy any more characters. Can't buy her. Can't buy him.
Brody.
Can't buy.
Zoe. Dora Ninja. King. Frizzy. Frank.
Frieza.
Frank. Alex. D. Jack. It's my turn now.
Okay, now I need to see if I have any
You already did.
boards that I can get. What? Oh my god!
You have no birds. Come on. Please, Emmy.
Wait, I have to try to see if I can buy any of this stuff.
Mm.
Yes!
Okay.
Wait. I have to do. Okay. Wait. First, what character do you want?
Just the guy.
No, here.
Or just that.
Here. I want. Let's see. I'm gonna. Do not spend any keys that you get, okay?
Okay. Okay, now I'm gonna play it then. Right? Okay. I actually really am bad.
You're horrible at this game. Every 3 rounds.
Boom. See, my hands are so tiny. I can't even go fast like Emmy.
They can't see your hands. They can see the game.
I know, but my hands are so tiny. Jumpies.
Jump! Aw.
Why?
You were gonna go on the roof.
Why do you want me on a roof?
Because then you get rewards.
I want to go on a roof.
Your jumpy shoes are gone, so you can't.
On my birthday, I am still 6. Oh, another turn.
2 more turns.
2 more. You go. That was on accident.
1 more turn.
No, that was on accident.
Yeah, everything that you die is on
No, I
accident.
actually did that on purpose.
No, you didn't. You still got 1 more turn.
No.
Yes. 3 turns each. That won't be fair.
Please, and then there's 4. Just 2 more.
No.
Then I had to wait so long until you. Okay,
I'm good at
sorry.
this.
I forgot to put what video on. Right?
I can't cut that out, though.
I know.
Oh, you go.
See, I'm bad, and I did that on purpose, guys. So, okay, we're gonna watch this video when we're done. Wait, is there any subscribes?
I think that I have like 2 or 3 because I'm new at this.
Really?
I'm not good at this.
You just got in?
I'm like really new at this YouTube thing.
Yeah, of course.
I only have like 14 videos.
Really?
Yeah.
14. That thing is so you. No. Here you go.
Don't you guys think Lucy is cool?
She's awesome. Can this be the last?
Her hair is red and blue.
Can this be the last of the video? Because then we're gonna. Actually, no. We have
Is
to. Can we
last.
play the other games,
So
guys?
next video we will play more games, but
I want ice cream.
we're gonna do one more
time is
round. We're gonna do 1 round each
Can you pause it?
for now. I can't pause this kind. Oh my god, I almost died.
Don't say that, dude. What time is it?
It is.
That's her brother. You died?
That didn't count because
Yeah, but it didn't.
it's 6:24.
It didn't
count because
Did it pass from 8 o'clock?
no.
Wait, what?
It's 6:30.
So what is it gonna be?
Oh yeah, I forgot. We're doing 1 more round each. I died. Okay. So it's your turn.
Actually,
What do I press? You press the resume. The green, yeah.
ooh, that was weird. Every time we die, we finished it. Okay. Cop, what is the...
So we're gonna conclude the
Actually,
video.
I'm gonna have a playground at her house.
We're gonna conclude the video right now, and we are
Have
gonna
fun,
see you next time.
Bye.
See you guys.